Alakajam is an open source project and it's hosted on GitHub. We are always looking for people who can help by coding new features or improving the overall appearance of the site. Let's take a look behind the scenes and see how coders can host a local version of Alakajam. The server is written in JavaScript, which means that first you need to install Node.js. The other requirement is to have a code editor like VS Code. From that point, running the server takes 2 steps. First, open a terminal and run npm install to make Node.js download all the libraries you need. Then fire up Alakajam by typing node server.js, and by default it will preload the database with sample events and users. That's it, your development server is ready. You can log in as an administrator and discover how events are run. And of course, you can freely change the code to practice JavaScript or develop whatever you want. If you'd like to help, except you're not sure what to do, just check GitHub for issues. In particular, we have ones marked with the green tag Good First Issue. Oh, and because the documentation is, well, what it is, feel free to join us on the chat and ask for help.